Vacations have a myriad of benefits for both the mind and the body. According to various sources, 94% of people had a higher level of energy than when they left, and were 55% more productive at work for at least a month. In light of this statistic, I propose the idea of taking a vacation. Vacations result in lower stress, better family relations, and a higher productivity. Additionally, by using Pierre de Fieres, we can find you a beautiful vacation spot for a discounted price. While you may be undecided, we assure you that we have plans for all situations and can provide you a wonderful time. The number of benefits of taking a vacation should speak for themselves. It will allow you to get out into the world and learn about nature. By taking time to connect with nature, it will let you see the beauty in the world and have a greater desire to keep it clean. With all the daily routines, it is easy to forget about nature and its beauty. You will also encourage a healthy lifestyle that you can pass on to your children. It is important to build healthy traditions, such as exploring the world. Family vacations can cause better relationships and more meaningful conversations. While many families rush from one activity to another, using vacation time to reconnect with your family can be a beautiful thing. Additionally, you may need space from people and routines, in which case you could use a longer vacation. By taking time to get away from everyday life, you can recharge, lower your stress, and lead to a better life. When you return home, you will feel refreshed and ready to step back into your routines with a clear mind and relaxed body. Statistics based on the appadivision.org show that 800 lawyers were less depressed and more productive after a vacation. In summary, the benefits of a vacation are numerous. By using Pierre de Fieres, you can save thousands of hours on planning. Planning a vacation can be stressful and nerve-wracking, which is the opposite of what we want. Allowing us to find the cheapest cost while providing a beautiful getaway can help you enjoy your vacation even more. You may have qualms about the destination, but I assure you that all our locations have been tested and approved by professionals. Each site has been proven to provide comfort and ease your mind and body. In the Harvard Business Study Review, it shows that 74% of people have stated that planning is the most difficult part of a vacation. But not anymore. With Pierre de Fieres, we can ease your adventure planning and provide a gorgeous vacation spot. We take it as our mission to ease your worries and plan a beautiful getaway for family, friends, or just yourself. You can save thousands of hours by using Pierre de Fieres. The benefits of a vacation far outweigh the cost. With Pierre de Fieres, we can help cut down on the cost and find you an affordable vacation home. While you may not have the time or the money, we have vacation plans for all situations. We can plan a short and close vacation for a cheap weekend getaway, or if you're feeling more adventurous, you may choose a longer international vacation. No matter what your plans are, Pierre de Fieres can help. As a vacation service, it is our duty to provide you with the best prices and greatest comfort. While you may still have doubts, KidsCentralTN.com claims that family vacations build lifelong memories, break your family away from daily routine, and opens your minds to new experiences. By taking a vacation instead of worrying about the cost, you should take a vacation instead of worrying about the cost. You should look at the benefits Pierre de Fieres can provide. The pros of vacation include stronger family relations, greater education, lower stress, and a new sense of productivity. By using Pierre de Fieres, we can find and plan a beautiful vacation for a fraction of the cost. While you may be uncertain about planning a vacation, we have a wide variety of plans that the whole family will enjoy. To fully experience life, I encourage you to take a vacation and use Pierre de Fieres.